We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been home for baby, I was home.
Okay. I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I could?
Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. I wanna stay with you till the morning. Stay with you through the summer. Show you that you're my only.
I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantee.
Guys, my name is Jacinta Ashuka. Today we are doing the photo shoot. Like, share, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are doing a photo shoot, a family photo shoot in Nakuru. As you know, right now I'm in Kenya, so let's do this together.
You'll find me, said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been home for baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. but she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
Hi guys,
Wondering if it is for.
So guys, I'm in Nairobi. It's been a few weeks since I came back to Kenya, and today decided to come to Nairobi because I have business to do, but I will not tell you what I'm doing. So right now I'm gonna do a room tour at a place we are staying. We are actually staying at the Cloud Suits and Hotel. I stayed here a couple of months ago, and I came back because it's a nice place, and this time around I brought my brother with me. So I'm gonna do a quick room tour because this room is super small, and I will show you what's happening. So when you enter, you find this toilet right here. They have tissues there, and then there's a mirror. I think this one you can light it up. And there's a mirror. There's another mirror. There's a what is this called? Hair. 2 cups for brushing and stuff. There's a soap, and then these things, what do you call this, body lotion, shampoo, but we definitely have to buy others. This is not gonna be enough. And then this one, the shower caps, not much. So we finalized with the bathroom.
She leaves her safe space.
So now let's go to the next part. After the door, we go to the bathroom, and then there's this wardrobe right here. You have extra pillows, hangers for whatever, and this is for dirty laundry, definitely. I think these are prices for cleaning and stuff, but we're not gonna use that now. And then there's a safe down here. If you have valuable things, you just put them down there. Yes, enough for the exciting part. Let's view and check out the whole room. So we are met by this big ass mirror. That's my brother. A mirror saying no smoking in the rooms. And then we come to this side. We have the table. We have a light when you want to study at night. Water, kettle, hot kettle, cups if you want to make coffee at night. If you want to make tea at night, you can do that. And then we have this. We have these lights. We have this table for. We just kept our luggages there. I don't think that's the work, but that's what we're gonna do today. And then we have the main thing, which is the bed and the part we all love. The views. It's nice.
She's putting all of her cards down.
So that's the end of that room tour. We are about to head out to town to do some errands, and then we're gonna come back later in the night, in the evening, and we can rest. I brought my laptop so we will watch Netflix. We will Netflix and chill. Yes, I will definitely bring you guys with me as usual because I am that girl. And if you're new here, karibuni sana. Don't forget to hit that button, share, comment, and
Wondering if it's
subscribe.
gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever.
Hi guys, leo tuko Sarit Center. We have come here because we want to do bowling with my brother. And yeah.
There's some place that will make her feel better. Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Waking up with someone else, trying to messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening. No, you keep saying you'll change.